Hello guys, welcome back to my channel that is Teach Me. Today's video is all about Python tutorial number 2. So in this tutorial we are going to see a lot of things. But let's go for application. So as I mentioned before in my last video that in all programming languages Python is one of the most used language in everywhere. So now let's see what are the uses of it. First, it is easy to learn. It is easy to read, easy to maintain, interactive mode, portable, extendable, databases. It is used in GUI programming. It is used for in Windows and X Windows system of Unix. Then scalable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. Now let's see what is the print function in Python. As you can see, I have given an easy definition to you all. The print function displays the given object to the standard output device or to the next stream file. Unlike the other programming languages, Python print function is most unique and versatile function. As I told you in last lecture that Python print is given like when we have to print something to our screen, then it is given. Now let's see what is its syntax. The syntax of print function is given below. So this will be our print function syntax. Now let's explain its parameter one by one. There's the objects, sep, end, file, and flush. Like I'll be providing you this PPT later on. So whenever you need to learn it, you can easily find it out. I'll give it in the description box. Now let's see the print function example. Now let's start coding. So I want to print something. Like I want to return some value in short. So let's say I want to print this thing, welcome to teach me. Also, I want two or more objects to be passed in print function. So we'll give a as 10, like whatever number you want. I have taken as 10. Then I will print a first according to my syntax given in the PDF. Okay. Then second, I'll put B as A because I want the same value as A. Then according to sentence, I'll put this code. I'll save my code and I'll run it. So now you can see here the output has been came. It says welcome to teach me. A is equal to 10 and again I wanted as A is equal to 10 is equal to B. So now it has been printed as I wanted. Now I want to print something using sep and end function. So I'll take A as 10. As I said, you can take any number here. I have taken, let's say we take 23 here right now. Okay. So print A, this is all according to the syntax, nothing else. I have given the syntax in the PDF. So I'll run it. This is what my output says. A is equal to DDD23 and the end function becomes 0, 2, 3. So this was using sep and end function. As we have seen the code over here, last code we had done was using sep and end argument. Now this will be our output for it. As you see, in the first print statement, we use the sep and end argument. The given object is printed just after the sep values. The value of end parameter printed at the last of the given object. Now we have also seen in the second print function, the print function is the result after the three black lines. Now, what if we want to take the input from users? Like, I want to print something, but I want to take it from user. So we'll give the print function, and then we'll put input, and then we'll take the values from the user. So let's see, Python provides the input function which is used to take input from the user. So this is the example we are going to see right now. Now, what if I want to take the input from the user? Like I want to print something, but what I want is the input should be taken from the user. So suppose I want to print a student's name. So I'll write name is equal to input, enter a name of student. Then what I want to print is the whole sentence, not just the name of the students. So I have to write the whole thing, like what I want it to be printed. So I'll write the student name is, and then the name the user will be giving will come in the name thing. So I need to define that name here. So I'll save my file and run it. So see, now in the output form, it is asking me enter the name of the student. So suppose I write it as Rohan. The whole sentence will come it as the student name is Rohan. So however you write the code, the output will be printed. Now what if I want to print some integer values? Okay, so this is the code for it. Suppose I want two numbers to be added, two numbers to be multiplied or divided. Like it can be many numbers. Like it's not something like that you can just do two numbers or something. You can even make calculator using this. So we'll be doing a full code in the next tutorial. We'll take the project as calculator, and we'll make a calculator using Python in next tutorial. So let's take a as input. It's like first int and then input and enter. Like we want the user to give us the number. Even we can take, but then we are doing in user defined function. So we'll take it from user, give second number as b, and then I wanted to print. I want this two numbers addition, or you can take its subtraction as well. I'll show you the whole thing, like its multiplication and division also, so that it's more clear to you when you practice at home. Okay, so now I have saved this function, and let's run this function. Now you can see that it's asking me first number, so I'll give it as 23 and the second as 5. The addition of 23 and 5 is 28, subtraction is 18, multiplication is 115, and division is 4.6. Calculations become very easy by using this whole process. We'll surely do the calculator thing in next tutorial. So this was the last slide we had seen. We had took the integer as the input, and this is the code. This is the output just for addition, but I had done extra coding like for addition and subtraction and division as well. If you have any queries about today's tutorial, you can mail me. My mail ID I have given in description box as well, and in the PPT also it's there. Hope you like today's tutorial. We'll solve many projects ahead. The next tutorial will be about calculator using making calculator using Python. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thank you.